Tēnei te mihi kona kia koutou te whānau. We're here at the second day of the hearing, that's week 24, stage 2 to Paparahi o te Rahi. And here I'm with our whanaungi here from Korokota Marae. Titoki, who am I talking to?
To Heeni, ko Heeni, Tuhiwai McGrath.
Tēnā koe Heeni. Look, it's been a long journey for our whānau from Ngāpuhi. I know you've attended all the hearings. We're now into the last part of the hearings, the closing submissions for the hearings. And I know this week we've so far heard that one of the main kaupapa from the whānau have come is the kaupapa around our rangatiratanga, our mana motuhake. We know that in stage 1 that the tribunal confirmed with the Ngāpuhi that we did not cede sovereignty. What is your wawata? What do you want to see from here?
Well, what I see from here, we don't want to settle. Us here in Whangarei, Teringa Plawa, we really don't want to settle for all this. We want to carry on if they do. There's no settlement. We want our land back, our mountains, everything surrounded us.
I know throughout the hearings that has been the tangi from our people, the fact that most of our rivers are now polluted. I know your whānau is a whānau that depended on the awa for kai.
Kia ora. Well, our awa used to be everything, plentiful, like tuna, like whitebaits.
Kiwai.
Yeah, and the freshwater mussels, all those. Now we get less in our awas because of the catfish, whatever they got floating down the river, taking it all out, and all the weeds, which we got some all around starting to clean up the river again. And of course with our power station, with the Alvis, as you know, your kasi hori Tuhiwai used to do all that part, and plus he used to take it, whoever wants it to go into their awa. He takes the Alvis there and let them off. And well, that's really all I can think of, but I hope people's not going for settlement. We all should look on the same page. Hopefully we're going to come back again for claims cuts.
Aye. Yeah, well, the policy of the government is that once we settle, we can't go back.
Oh, nee. Oh, never know.
Labour
come in. Labour come in, there we go. We might be up there again.
Tēnā koe te whānau, we're in day 2, and today we've got our whānau continuation of our whānau, our various hapu groups from the Whangarei area, but tomorrow Mangakahia, and tomorrow afternoon Hokianga will start their last closing submissions into Friday. Ngā mihi kia koutou, and don't forget to listen to us and tune in as well on our totalfm.com webpage. Ngā mihi o tātou kia koe, tēnā koe te whaia.
Kia ora, kia ora.
Tēnā tātou.
Ai.